Okay, I think we're live. I can see myself. You there? You hear me? Nice.
You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Alright, so getting off.
Getting after them. Trying to see if I can go live on YouTube yet. See if they're allowing me to go live yet. Says I'm live, but okay, there it is. On YouTube yet? See if they're allowing me to go live yet. Says I'm live. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yep, I think that's working now. Bye. Okay, there it is. Yeah, just want to see if I can go live on YouTube, see if it's working. Yeah, see if it's set up. If I can figure out how to do that, yeah. See if I can switch it over. This one. There we go. I think that's it now.
It's probably better if I call you on Discord and then we just do the live
Hi.
video stream from there. It'd be easier for you, wouldn't it?
You
Huh?
there? Where'd you go? You're still there.
I'm saying it'd be better if we did it in Discord. It'd be easier. We just did the video on
You there?
Discord and then we just do the live video stream from there. It'd be easier for you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you hear me now? Yeah.
What I'm saying is it might be better doing Discord.
Yeah, it would be. I'm just trying to figure it
Huh?
out. Yeah. Disc.
I'm saying it'd be better if we did it in Discord. It'd be easier. We just did the video on
You there?
Discord and then we just do the live video stream from there. It'd be easier for you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you hear me now? Yeah.
What I'm saying is it might be better doing Discord.
Yeah, it would be. I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah. Disc.
I'm saying it'd be better if we did it in Discord. It'd be easier. We just did the video on
You there?
Discord and then we just do the live video stream from there. It'd be easier for you, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you hear me now? Yeah. Yeah, it would be. I'm just trying to figure it out. Yeah. Disc.
I'm saying it'd be better if we did it in Discord. It'd be easier. We just did the video on Discord.
You there? Yeah, you hear me now? Yeah. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, welcome. I think we're set up now. I can hear music and hear myself. Perfect. Yo, what's up?
You're on
Okay,
you're on
there.
mute.
Testing. Hello.
Here you now. Reminds me I need to buy a new headset. You might.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it now. You hear me? Okay, it's just a lot of settings you got to figure out when it comes to getting the audio to play through your computer, your speakers, so that it gets recorded and all that. A lot of work. Keep talking there. I want to see if my stream hears your audio. Keep chatting there. That's enough. All right, quiet. Yeah, there you are. I hear you now. Okay, that setting works. It allows the iMac to pick up any sort of desktop audio and music and all that, and conversations from the web too. So you're on. You're live. Now this is YouTube. Um, yeah, I know. I know. I haven't done that yet though. You can use Restream and spit it out because it takes up more of the computer bandwidth, makes the audio less. And I did a stream to X yesterday. I thought I'll do a quick one to YouTube this morning, see how it goes, see what I like better. Most people prefer YouTube because it allows them to grow a following there too and get more monetized. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Pre-market at 30. Let's see what's going on. Let me pull up. Yeah, it is. See that? I mean, we're nice and green, which is good, but Trump folded, he tacoed, so hopefully that's the end of it. Who knows what he's going to say today, though? Yeah. Stock market. I'm putting out a wee tweet here real quick. I'll tag you as well. Yep. No, man, if you had like a production manager do all this stuff for you, you'd be laughing like. Let's go back to Discord real quick. Pop in the video section real quick. Videos. Live streams, there you go. Grok made that thumbnail as well, which is pretty funny. I just said stock market live opening thumbnail with Trump and a bear and a bull. That's what Grok spot out. It's pretty funny, isn't it? It's amazing how it does it. Aye, made it in like 2 seconds. That's why you're seeing such a sell-off in SaaS and Adobe and stuff. That's why all that software's taking hit, because look what AI can do so fast. Used to be able to pay people what, $5 or more to make these sort of things 5 years ago for your channels and all that. And then with Canva, you can make it yourself, which could take about 20 minutes, which is why I used to. Now with AI, you literally say a few sentences and it spits it out for you. It's unbelievable. That's the use case there, which is why everyone keeps saying, why is Adobe down so much? Well, that's why AI is just getting better and better and better. And look what it's done for thumbnails, something so simple. That's my take on it. Although that being said, though, I was looking at it last night. Those software companies, they could bounce. Adobe and Salesforce and stuff. That is such a discount. Adobe just got a actual blue candle there today. It was working a minute ago. Keep chatting. No, I have it open on I have the YouTube app open on my phone. But keep chatting there. Chat away. You saying something? Speak.
I'm not speaking at the minute, but testing, 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 testing.
Hey Matt, you there?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I'm here.
Where'd you go? I can't hear you anymore.
No, I'm still here. I'm in the Discord. Yes, I'm still talking, but I still don't hear myself.
There you are.
Hold on, I think I heard you.
I hear you now. Yep.
Yeah, that's it now. That's it now. I'm putting your YouTube on mute. And I can just chat away. That's it. That's it now, bye.
Okay.
You can still hear me on the YouTube.
I think we're working fine now. Yep. Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah, I think we're good. Yep.
Just keep an eye on it in case it
Anyway,
freezes again. I don't like Windows computers. I don't want a Windows device. I like Apple stuff.
so you're back on your Mac, are you?
Yeah, I got the iMac fixed. It's an absolute beast of a computer. I don't want to get rid of it.
Hmm.
Okay.
How's the futures looking?
Let's pull it up and refresh it and see what it says.
Looking pretty good.
It's going to be fine until we hear some negative news, which could only be Trump going back on his taco trade,
Well,
but I don't think we're going to get that news.
I think it will. I think the sound of it, that he's got a pretty sweet deal in Greenland that he's happy with. And I don't really see the EU poking the bear as such. I think they're all just at a stage now where let's just hold back and see how things go.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't think they want to keep rocking the boat. I think
Yeah,
everybody just wants a better normality for a while.
yeah. But if you look at this, this is what everyone was looking at yesterday. Let me go back to this real quick. This is what I was looking at last night. Back to the 1 year chart on the. Let's look at the S&P 500 real quick. Yeah,
If
right
I were you, I
here.
would definitely do. If I were you, I would definitely do a dual stream. I'd put it to
I will indeed.
X and YouTube.
I will indeed. It just has to be more software set. But look at my screen real quick, or look at your own chart. The S&P
I'm looking
500
at it.
index fund. This is what people were concerned about. Um, February last year, when he started talking about tariffs, and he was all over the place. Will he, won't he, all that stuff. That's what happened. And then right here, he's doing the exact same thing. And that's where the stock market remembers what happened last year. Listened to a bunch of videos this morning, last night on that very topic. And there was a little bit of a stabilizing effect before he went nuclear last March and April. So the question here is, if he doesn't get his way with Greenland, or if they want to play rough with him, honestly, it could go down and then up and then down and up and then just fall off the face of the earth if he goes nuts. You could
If he
see
does, but
that.
I think the whole whole situation has matured a lot since then. Like it's not that was him just in the door. He was all full of juice. Just got elected president. He just wanted to sort of stamp his authority. Now it's a bit different. I think he's matured a lot, and his whole administration has matured a lot.
He knows, like,
Personally, I mean, I don't know. He's pretty unpredictable.
that's just what's driving it, though. So everyone's talking about. But anyway, looks good so far. Things are looking better.
Oh,
But
excuse
anywho,
me.
this is what I wanted to actually say to you. Listen to Michael Oliver this morning. He's fantastic. I
Before
recommend.
you go on, what I would do is I would just take a minute and just do a dual stream to X and YouTube. You'll get far many more viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, let me try and see if I can do that. I've already spotted out. I don't pay for Streamlabs Ultra. It's too expensive. But what I could do,
Maybe you can only do
no,
it
you can
one
use
place at a time.
Restream. Restream's what you can use. Restream is a free service where you can split it out to two services. I've done that before. I restreamed to both before. I can do it again real quick. See if it works. Just need to sign in again real fast. But gold and silver, look at gold and silver. Why I'm doing this because Michael Oliver was flashing a huge warning sign. Everyone's saying be very careful. Gold and silver are the canary in the coal mines, and he thinks they can go higher. He said silver could go to $300. Gold could go to, was it 8,000? He said, or $10,000, based upon its past historical increases. This was when he talked about it. If you're looking at the stream real quick, back in let's go to the all-time chart for gold real fast. I think it was back in 2020 maybe. He highlighted last time it had a major increase in price. It more than doubled. And then 2 to 4. Yeah, his point was last time it had a major increase, whenever you factor in inflation as well, that's where he said gold could go a lot higher now because we have to factor in fiat printing and inflation effect too. So gold and silver, he said, are flashing huge warnings right now.
Yeah, but they just went. They've already been. I think there's potentially could potentially go a lot higher. But I think they're just going to do a bit of a retrace first. I just don't see them rocketing on up that high all year.
Yeah, I don't know. That's the problem. I mean, it looked like it was going to flatline there. Um, yeah, I mean, last year, middle last year, looked like it was flattening a little bit, August and all that, and then it just took off again
Because
September. Parabolic, unbelievable. China has been buying gold every month the past
see,
14 months.
that's the thing I'm thinking. Why would Trump want to keep causing all this global uncertainty, right? If he knows it's going to push up the price of risk assets such as gold and silver, he's just playing into the likes of China and Russia's hands, really, by pushing up their assets. So if he goes for more of a calm down environment, that pulls back, right?
I mean, it might, but this is the thing. Michael Oliver was saying this is all connected to global bonds. U.S. bonds are not doing well. T bonds are going up. Japanese bonds are going up first time the highest level in 20 years. So he sees all this massive
Yeah.
macro news, which he to him flashes huge warnings, and he's telling his followers. And I watched that video last night. I'll put on X, but he was just saying we got to be. He's telling all his followers and his folks that pay for his advice to be very careful because things look very dangerous this year.
Well, they definitely do look dangerous. I know there's a whole lot of stuff being baked into that structure bill for stable coins that every stable coin issued or something, or every stable coin used or something like that. Actually, it's tied
Yeah, real
to
money.
a T bill in a certain way. Yeah, real money. So that that's how they're going to get that.
I mean, silver
A
alone
bit more of
looks
a demand for their treasuries.
crazy. But his big point out of the 50-minute long video was there could be a situation in this year or the next years to come. He didn't want to call it, but he said if they don't figure a way to fix this crisis, you could see something equivalent to the mortgage crisis of 2008. But this time it's going to be worse
Mm.
because there'll be global government bonds that go belly up when fiat goes to
You know,
zero, and you can see it. Like you look at gold, you look at silver, look at T-bonds, look at the treasury, look at how everything's working. Bitcoin's not rising, it's falling compared to gold and silver. So money is going towards those hard assets. And it's just something to keep in mind when it comes to the bear and bull thesis.
what I
I
would
am
do now is hold on, hold your horses there, young fella.
what do you do?
I would end your YouTube stream and just go to X. If you're gonna keep talking, you might as well put an X. You've only got two people watching here. I think it's both of us. At least X, you can build your engagement now. Don't waste time.
I'm doing restream. I'm trying to get up 9x as well at the same time. You have to do both because
But if you can't, I would just kill YouTube.
I agree, but you have to keep going both because YouTube doesn't just broadcast you to folks. You have to actually have content on YouTube for the algorithm to push you forward. That's how it works.
Me, silver looks like it might want to roll over a little bit. It's just been it's been run up so high. I think it has to roll over a bit. It just got short of that $100 level.
Yeah, and Bitcoin as well.
It's not gonna do nothing until I get the structure built sorted.